Here's one of the habits that I've used as a grandma in her late 40s to lose 40 pounds and keep it off. There are actually two systems I use depending where I'm at and what my goals are. The first is to count my calories and my macros. That is if I'm really trying to get dialed in. The other one is what I've coined eat with your hands. And this will give you a balanced plate and help with weight loss. You're going to start with a cupped hand of carbohydrates, and this is something like rice or sweet potatoes. You're going to do a palm's worth of protein. I eat plant-based, so mine is tofu or beans, and yours could be chicken breast, another lean protein. You're going to do 1 thumb of fat. Some people will do just the tip of their thumb of fat, others will do the whole thumb. The other is your veggies, and that's going to be 2 fists. My cupped hand is about 1/3 a cup, so that's my brown rice. My palm is about 1/2 cup, there's my beans. My fist is around a cup, so there's 1, 2 heaping cups of veggies. And those veggies have some fat in them, so I'm not going to add fat.